Bonjour et bienvenue. In today's video, you will learn how to ask questions in section B of TEP Expression Orale. For TEP Canada section B, we have to use the form tu because it's an informal conversation as the examiner will be playing the role of a friend. Please keep this in mind that you cannot use the woo form here. It's totally an informal conversation in which you have to convince your friend for any kind of an invitation or an announcement in which you are interested and you want to accompany with your friend. In the starting, your friend will not be convinced with the conversation, but you have to keep him or her engaged with the conversation. Here is an example which I have taken, like there's a dinner party in which everything will be in dark and the per person cost is 100 euros, in which you cannot see anything. You can only touch, smell and taste. So let's begin the conversation. Candidate: Salut Caroline. Examinateur: Salut Manuel. Como ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? Oui, ça va. Comment tes vacances de été se sont passées? As you can see, I have mentioned one of the examples just to keep the conversation in an informal way. I have begun with the informal like, hi, how are you? How your vacations has passed? Just to make the examiner feel that you know very well the friendship. So let's begin. Examiner says, les vacances se sont passées bien. J'ai fait du ski en montagne avec mes parents. As the examiner says that my vacation has passed very well and I did some ski with my parents. Candidate means you. Caroline, je suis ici pour partager une annonce que j'ai vue sur l'internet à propos d'une soirée inoubliable. Here I have given the name Caroline to the examiner and he or she will be conversating with you in a form as a Caroline and you are representing yourself as a Manuel. Candidat, voila la annonce. You will get the paper on which it has been written. Simply show that paper to your examiner as a friend. Examiner, Manuel, cette annonce ne me plaît parce que j'ai peur du noir. The examiner want to say that he or she is very afraid of the dark. That's why she is not interested for the announcement. Candidate, but you have to keep on convince your friend. Candidate says, ah, mais cette expérience serait magnifique. Je sais que tu aimes explorer une nouvelle activité. C'est pourquoi je voudrais que tu fasses cette expérience avec moi. Here I have tried to make the examiner that you are very much interested in learning new activities. You always wish to explore new activities. Let's begin. Examiner, je trouve vraiment le concept ridicule. The examiner saying, no, I don't like this concept. It's quite ridiculous for me. You have to convince him or her. Non, ce n'est pas ridicule parce que j'ai déjà dîné avec mes parents et je me suis beaucoup amusée. You are convincing your friend that no, I've already experienced this thing with my friends, with my parents, and I enjoyed a lot. Examiner, ça ne doit pas être confortable de manger dans la noir. Again, he or she is saying that she is not comfortable in eating in the dark. But candidate says, si tu n'es pas confortable de manger dans la noir, tu vas essayer ton autre sens comme tu peux toucher le repas. I'm trying to convince the friend that if you are not able to see in the dark, you can at least touch or smell the meal. Examiner, on ne peut pas voir l'état de propreté de la salle de couverte. Here, the examiner wants to say that he or she cannot see the room properly. Candidate, you have to make your friend that he or she is correct somewhere. Tu as raison sur ce point. Cependant, tu ne peux pas voir, mais tu peux sentir et goûter. I've tried to make it like that. Yes, I agree with your point, but you can touch and smell it. Examiner, on ne peut pas voir ce que l'on mange, on pourrait avoir de mauvaises surprises. he or she is correct, that we can have a mauvaise surprise also. Candidate, uh, link your answer with the above statements. Candidate, j'ai déjà mentionné que tu peux essayer ton autre sens comme tu peux toucher le repas. I have tried to mold the answer that I have already mentioned, that if you are not able to see the food, at least you can touch it. Examiner, on risque de se tâcher et si je renverse mon rebelle. Candidate, ne t'inquiète pas, don't worry, parce qu'il nous donne une couverture pour protéger nos vêtements. I've tried to make her comfortable, that if the things get fall on your dress, you will get the cover for this. Examiner, pour parler aux autres, on a besoin de les voir. She's saying that if we have to speak to others, we should see them also. I'm convincing her that we can speak to the others by utilizing the mobile phone. C'est très simple. I've tried to make it very simple. This is very simple. Examiner, manual, c'est cher pour ne pas voir ce qu'on mange. Examiner is correct that we cannot see, and we are paying so much for that. Candidate, this is true, this is expensive, may we can pay in inclusive, we can pay in multiple times. Examiner, d'accord, she's fine, je vais t'accompagner pour le dîner. Hippie, she agreed that she will be accompany me for the dinner. Candidate, merci, try to put your efforts. Thanks a lot, as we say thank you, as when the person get convinced with you. Merci, je suis très heureuse que tu as changé ton avis. Try to put your volume and the weightage to your volume. Examiner, au revoir. Candidate, à dimanche. I hope you like my video. If you want me to put more videos, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Au revoir.